Welcome. Good evening, everyone. So anyway, the buffet is supposed to be downstairs, but what happened actually, the weather is kind of not stable. It might rain anytime, so we put the buffet upstairs right now. The live band's playing here upstairs right now. Welcome to my vlog again at the window. There we go. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, The Naked Mixology, my IG, and then my Facebook page, The Naked Mixology. Now the buffet is upstairs right now. Well, it's not bad. So I see many guests upstairs right now. It's not those like really. One thing downstairs is the ambience downstairs compared to upstairs is if you're in Caribbean, you have to sit downstairs and enjoy, right? Enjoy the foods, enjoy the live band. But what happened tonight actually, last Monday was crazy because the weather is so nice and then all of a sudden rain, all of a sudden. So you can predict. So now it's like just to make sure that just in case it might rain, so nobody's running up and down. Just sit and enjoy the food. So that's why they put the live band upstairs on the buffet. So now I'm gonna show you. Here I'm upstairs right now. So this is upstairs. I'm sure you see already upstairs. There's a bar upstairs, and the live band's playing. That's the live band. And the buffet actually is in the corner down there at the end. Yes, Julia. You want?
Yeah, man.
Hey. Well, what you need? I'm good.
Huh? For the first time, no?
Masama itong dinner. Masama itong dinner.
Ah, ano na dito? Hindi sa'yo yung luto ba?
Tagayta ba?
Ha?
Tagayta.
Ano yan? Kanto dito. Masarap kayo. Portion. Ito. Ang pagod ko.
Julia, you good? Please give this to Ray. I don't know what table is this. This for Ray. So, how's Ray? More girls is coming on the way. Look at that. Hey! Yeah. So, what come with that? Taking you in the kitchen. Right now. Julia. Hey, bye. You good? Bye. What you're making?
Ay, make it for sticky toffee.
Sticky toffee?
Yep.
This Chef Anton. He's one of the master of the universe.
That is the proper good presentation. It's a simple.
Huh? is the kitchen right now. Yeah. This is what they're cooking. Here. Hi.
Sorry?
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
What is that, chef?
That's called escovitch.
Oh, escovitch.
Yeah.
Fish escovitch. Good. And this one?
This one, lobster bisque soup.
Oh, lobster bisque just for
For the light. Yeah. For tomorrow. Dinner.
good. And this one is just a boiling water.
Boiling water for pasta, vegetables are ready. When we serve, we use the water.
Ready,
Yeah.
ready to go. Got it, got it. It looks like it's full moon today. I'm upstairs right now at Tide's restaurant. It's so quiet tonight because the live band is upstairs tonight and the barbecue is upstairs, so that's why it's like so quiet. So we're closing early because there's no more. It's not the same as you're doing downstairs. So look at this over here because it's quiet. That's the band. Hey, hey.
It's a slow night, but we were here.
Yeah, but it's still good, man.
Yeah, man, still
yeah.
All right.
We do what they have to do, you know?
Yeah,
That's all about.
That's all about.
Hi, Tony-san.
All right. So this is the buffet upstairs. There's rice and beans. Rice and beans. This haricot. It's finished. And the fried snapper. Filet. Jerk chicken. Those. And then ribs. And there's bread pudding. Banana cake. With pineapple. Anyway, that's why it looks like it's empty right now because we're closing right now down here. It's like nobody's here. So again, please again don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. We're closing right now upstairs because there's nobody's here. And I see you next week again. Have a good night, everybody. Thumbs up. Hit likes, subscribe.